Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi is not working on iPhone after updating iOS version. If you have updated your iOS version and your Wi-Fi is not working, so let's see how can we fix the issue. So the very first, you have to scroll the control center and you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app from here, and you just have to go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. Then go back from here, and after that you just have to go for screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to reset all of your network settings. So open general section, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, AirDrop, branch, including your hotspot. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.